So you're going to start out with the dry lips. No chapstick, no lip gloss, no nothing. And you're going to take this, make sure the print side is going towards your lips, relax your lips, and line it up. Then you're going to open your mouth, line up the corners. Alright, so I lined it up. There's little lines here to help you see. And you're going to cut straight down and go to the other side. Relax, there you go. And cut straight down. Now you're going to find where your waterline starts in the inside of your lip. You don't want the paper to go in the lip. It won't stick that way. So you're going to relax and open up. And mine is pretty much right after the second line. There's 3 of them there. You're going to cut from the first top corner and cut straight through that line, back up to the other corner, just like that. So now you have your lips and they're ready to go. So now you're going to peel the plastic off. There you go. And the print side is now sticky. So you're going to place gently, relax your lips, line it up, go and line them up. Grab your wet sponge and down from the middle. And dab the corner really well. There you go. And dab the other corner. Alright, now you're just going to let it gently there you go, and get any excess. Alright, now top lip is done. You're going to do the same thing with the bottom lip. So, relax your lip and go line up the first corner and cut straight down. Take the other side. And use your 3 lines to figure out where you're going to cut. Straight down. Now you got to find your water line where it starts on the bottom lip. Relax. Alright. Mine's pretty much at, again, the bottom second of the second one, so you're going to cut from the top. So now you're going to take the plastic off. And take your wet sponge and dab. And gently get any extra little water just to make sure it stays on. And your lips are done.